Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Ali Berry, and today we're going fishing in the mountain or the bushes. So guys, we're going fishing today. We're going to fish for shrimp in the river. So guys, I'm currently walking. Yeah. You guys can see, yeah, it's a pretty bad road, man. That's my dog. Yeah, that's my dog walking. That's my bro at the back. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos from me. Yeah, so guys, it's not a beautiful day. Look like it's going to rain, so brought my umbrella. Ella, so guys, yes, see, there's some sights of the river I'm gonna yeah, it's really bushy ass place, you know. And I am walking. I'm so tired. I did not bring any water with me. Forgot. Damn. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. I am tired. Where I'm walking. It's mainly all bushes, nigga. All bushes, guys, so yeah, guys, me. Whew. Am I tired? Yes, but it's been a while since I did this, since my last video, so I decided why not do it again today. Yeah, and I've been telling y'all that I was going fishing. Yeah, show you what I'm walking through. See, guys? Yeah, a little 360. Yeah, a little 360. Yeah, guys, I'm really tired. So guys, I'm about to cross here. Yeah, I'm about to cross here. Yep, some walking, but guys, I almost fall. Bring out the Jamaican in me. Yeah, this is where we're walking. I am on the hill, man. Don't wanna fall. Can't swim. We are going. And did we cross without falling? Yes, we did. Oh my god. A lizard almost jumped on me, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, we ain't going through the bush. Yeah, look behind me, y'all. I am tired. I'm about to cross the next river. Look, guys. I am so tired. Woo. And this is almost tripped and fall 1,000,001 times. Woo. Crossing, sin, and we crossing, and we did cross without falling. So yeah, Oh, I'm hurt, man. I'm so tired. Whew. Oh my god. There's a spot there. You can actually see where I'm going. We're gonna take a hike under the tree because I'm tired. I want to pick up back the walking in a few. I am tired. I am tired. Mango tree. You can see y'all. Yeah, got some nice mangoes on it. Too bad none of them are ready though. Alright guys, we're gonna continue because it looks like it's about to rain. Guys, if it's about to rain, the fishing trip is going to be cancelled. You guys won't see me catching anything today if it's raining. I get sick easily. I get really sick easily, y'all. Oh, there's some people here today. I can't show you though. Can't show you the other part of the river because I don't want to put nobody in my film. So, yeah. Can't show you those. So guys, I just passed. Yeah, there was people here today. Last time I was here, nobody was here. Look where I'm going through. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It is crazy, but at least I remember the road this time. Ooh, I ain't gonna be lost no more. Yeah, over there. Over there. Yeah. Yeah, man, dude. So guys, we're going to show you the stone wall again. Oh my god, I almost fall again. So guys, this is the stone wall. We're gonna venture down to the stone wall. Show you. Woo. Hear that? There's a stone man that moved with me. So this is a stone wall, guys. Don't want to get my feet wet, so we're gonna look somewhere to cross. That's the stone wall. The water here is really beautiful. You hear it? Really loud. Me at the stone wall. Yeah. Last time I came, I was alone, so I didn't come to the stone wall for y'all to see. But today, y'all getting a full view of the stone wall. It's a really long stone wall. Look. See? Film, man. It's a really, really long stone wall. It's beautiful. Got a lot of history behind it, guys. Really lot of history behind it. Last time I was here, I didn't show y'all. Almost fall again, nigga. My god. Guys, we're gonna venture into the water. I wanna go inside of the water. So I'm gonna go in inside of the water. Let me fix the camera that y'all can see me go inside of the water. So, it's cold. guys, it is really cold. Yeah, it's cold, man. It's cold. I am inside. Yeah, I want to go over there, but the water is deep, so I can't get myself wet. But I wanted to go over closer to the wall. But we're gonna go straight to the meat of the matter, and that's catching some fishies. So we're gonna leave the stone wall now. Yeah, guys, I forgot. I ain't catching no fishies today. I am catching some shrimp today. But here is really beautiful. We got to leave though. Pick up my umbrella. And my umbrella, hella, hella, hey. Oh, my umbrella. My feet is already wet, so we're going through the water this time. Hey. Cover it, me, man. Yeah. So, guys, hit you back when I reach the fishing spot. Guys, the fishing trip is cancelled because it's about to rain and I'm in the river and I don't want the river to come down on me and I don't want to get stuck here, so I am going to be leaving now. So thank you all for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that, goodbye.